Number 1. Feeling stuck. Feeling stuck doesn't mean your life is broken. It means you're ready for change. Number 2. Make the decision. Change doesn't happen all at once. It starts the moment you decide not to stay the same. Number 3. Clean your space. When you clean your space, you clear your mind. Order creates focus. Number 4. Wake up early. Waking up early isn't about punishment. It's about giving yourself time to grow. Number 5. Move your body. Move your body every day. Energy creates motivation, not the other way around. Number 6. Learn something daily. Learn one new thing each day. Knowledge compounds faster than you think. 7. Write daily goals. Write your goals down. What gets written gets done. Number 8. Stay consistent. You won't feel motivated every day. Show up anyway. Consistency beats motivation. Number 9. Confidence. Growing confidence is built quietly, through promises kept to yourself. Number 10. 30-day transformation. 30 days from now, you won't recognize the old you. Not because life changed, but because you did.